Starting around 15 August 2023, Ethereum generally is exchanging at $1,837.64 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11% in very most recent 60 minutes. Or so they fundamentally thought. ETH generally has a complete market cap of $220,778,457,998, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,697,084,333, which for the most part is genuinely huge. This sort of makes Ethereum, ETH, exceptionally positioning at 2 in the digital currency market, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023. What will Ethereum generally be in every practical sense worth in 2023, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Ethereum a wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023? Which is genuinely huge. Will ETH cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high in an unpretentious manner? These basically are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH value is supposed to basically cross a truly normal value level of $2,139.84. The normal truly least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the current year ought to essentially be $2,048.41, or so they fundamentally thought. Additionally, ETH can arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $2,335.71. ETH value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum basically is determined to essentially be at around a really least worth of $1,737.18 in an unpretentious manner. The Ethereum value worth can really arrive at a fundamentally limit of $1,974.90, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Ethereum in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $1,923.70 and $2,070.90 in an unpretentious manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $1,996.84, which by and large is genuinely huge. ETH value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum generally is estimated to be at around an extremely least worth of $1,945.35, which explicitly is very huge. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a limit of $2,150.77, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars, which generally is very critical. ETH value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum fundamentally is estimated to essentially be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $2,004.37, which especially is very huge. The Ethereum value worth can by and large arrive at a truly limit of $2,252.61, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars, showing the way that the Ethereum value worth can generally arrive at a really limit of $2,150.77, with the typical exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars, in an especially huge way. Ethereum, ETH, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum generally is in every practical sense anticipated to arrive at an all things considered normal cost of $2,139.84, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $2,335.71 and an extremely least of $2,048.41. Ethereum fundamentally passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been diminished by 0.83% in its truly current worth in a huge manner. Assuming we for the most part look at the truly current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap generally is likewise down, exhibiting how besides ETH can fundamentally arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $2,335.71. ETH value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum truly is estimated to all things considered be at around a base worth of $1,737.18. In an especially significant manner, Ethereum basically is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, which generally is very huge. The ETH is down to nearly 0.38% in the by and large most recent 7 days, in every practical sense, huge way. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for sort of past kind of couple of days. The coin could generally have serious areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't actually feel that it would a productive resource in genuinely transient in an unpretentious manner. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH sort of diminished by 2.690%, dispensing with an incredible genuinely normal amount of $50.81 from its fundamentally current worth, which is very critical. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be an especially decent purchase and open door for truly speedy interest incredibly. The 90 days cost change really is around 14.76%, and the cost basically circled from a least genuinely normal cost of $1,539.51 to especially greatest essentially normal cost of $1,647.19 in the beyond 90 days, which truly is very critical. In very most recent 4 months, Ethereum in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, which explicitly shows that ETH value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum certainly is estimated to be at around a very least worth of $1,945.35, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Subsequently, we most certainly believe that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period in a sort of significant manner, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Ethereum really is expanded from 4 months, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost in a really significant manner. The coin truly is up by 28.16%, with the especially most extreme by and large normal cost of the coin was around $1,207.02, and the genuinely least certainly normal cost of truly was around $1,191.63 in beyond 4 months, which in a real sense shows that the coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for especially past essentially couple of days. The coin could in every way that really matters have major areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum value gauge 2023 facts. What will truly be Ethereum by and large worth in 2023? In an especially significant manner, the ETH cost explicitly is estimated to in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest degree